Hey, what's up you guys, it's redmountainking. As you guys see right below me, Tennessee is finally getting a snow day. I've been waiting for this day to come, and you know what that means. Snow day video. Okay guys, I'm in my sister's room right now because I have one camera right here. As y'all see the snow out there. I have my GoPro Hero 5 set up right here, catching this angle. And then I also have a angle downstairs, and this is the angle downstairs. I have the GoPro Hero 9 Black leaning up against the glass, doing a good time lapse. And golly, look at all that snow. It's a freaking blizzard.
It's beautiful.
As y'all guys see, it's snowing a lot, so I'm just gonna cut to the time lapse and hopefully it looks good. So yeah, I'm excited. Go on. Good cat. Go outside. Go outside. Extreme sport. Hold my back. Okay. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully you guys like it. I know it's a little bit shorter than my normal videos, but man, I've just been having so much fun in the snow. It's kind of rare for Tennessee to get snow because, you know, Tennessee is always up and down with their weather. But hopefully you guys like it. It's been a good 3 days of fun. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.